Hi there, this is May. So ayan guys, isa na namang napakasimpleng sketch po ang ating gagawin sa ngayon. Ito po ay Apayao House. The Apayao House, also known as Balay, is a traditional dwelling that embodies the centuries-old architectural tradition of the indigenous people of Apayao, known as the Isneg. It serves as a symbol of cultural identity and social cohesion, reflecting the way of life and values of the Apayao community. Apayao or Isneg houses are two-story, one-room structure built on four corner posts with an entrance reached by a ladder. The open space below are called linong or sidong, includes a small shed, a bolor, to store jars of basi, a fermented alcoholic beverage or wine made with sugarcane juice. So ayan guys, patapos ng ating pag-i-sketch. Ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood nyo sa aking mga simpleng sketches. So ayan guys, tapos na nga po. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Thank you.